This video is me, my very best friend, another really good friend. Our freshman year, we went to White Castle, and we documented it, so enjoy. Okay, so me and Kelsey and Natalie are going to go to White Castle and be like Harold and Kumar plus a Mexican. We're pretty pumped. Alright, we're on our way to White Castle. Eating gummy bears!
I got chocolate.
Natalie, what do you have to say about this? Because you don't even know who Harold and Kumar is. Like, where have you been the last 10 years of your life?
I don't know. Watching better stuff.
What? I'm insulted. Excuse the fucking me.
Like, I don't hear excuse.
Dude, hold on. Shit's getting heated.
I have a crisis because I don't know where it's at. I'm gonna be the fact.
No. Because we're gonna meet Neil Patrick Harrison, but we're gonna be good. This is exactly what happened in the movie. Okay, go. Yelled to me and said, "Turn left." I didn't know I was Neil Patrick Harris. You're supposed to go along with it for the video. No, because you called me Neil Patrick Harris, and that's awesome. So, camera, they're trying to say I'm racist, but why would I make out with a Mexican if I was racist? I'm not. What? What is this? Oh, yeah.
What did he say?
Take it. Oh.
The Mexican says thing.
We're getting our drinks. So gracias.
Muchas gracias, señor. Que Dios te bendiga.
Damn, that's so hot now. I don't know what she's saying.
I said, muchas gracias, señor. Que Dios te bendiga.
Hey, can we get, do you have honey mustard and ranch? Can we get some of that?
I need ketchup.
And ketchup. They're demanding.
There, bitch, most of it was for you.
Huh? Honey mustard, ranch, and ketchup. Oh man, dude, you gotta pay up. Another crisis.
In a world, 3 girls, 1 White Castle. She's in a crisis because the sauces are charged.
I feel like you're lying, but I don't know. Really? Really? You be making bank. Everybody loves sauce.
That background music.
I can't even hear the background music. What kind of honey mustard and pack? Have you ever had the? That's weird as hell. This guy is trying to fuck with us. He's crazy as fuck. Wait, hold on. Honey mustard package? Who does that? That's all I wanted to say.
Bitch, you must not go out.
Dude, okay, everyone knows, like, we're high right now. Like, it's so embarrassing. It's written out on the outside of my car. It's that obvious. Oh, you're recording.
Great night. Another night with the 3 West girls.
And obviously the coolest ones. Duh.
Oh wait, Catrice isn't here. She's one of the
That's the ultimate shit. That's the ultimate
Catrice,
shit.
We love you.
We love you asses that ain't here. Catrice is busy being a gangster right now. Oh yeah, I was gonna do that. Oh dude, we gotta get back. Greg's like pissed.
Did he text you again?
No, he called me, dude. He was like, you wanted to come here. Yo, you had to go, Harold and Kumar. What's better? What's more important, Greg's feelings or Harold and Kumar? Look at the food coming into the car. Well, just which one do you want? What'd you get? I got chicken wings. This is you. I got it. We got the same thing, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Sweet.
Have a nice.
Buenas noches.
You too. Buenas noches.
Have a good evening. Windows on, man. Turn the heat on. No,
we're good. That guy was crazy. Alright, so let's all look at our White Castle. I got my chicken rings and my loaded French fries.
No,
And I'm a very happy girl at the moment. Kelsey got all her fucking sauces and her shit. You can't see
look at my
it.
sauce pile.
It's very big.
So cute and little.
Success! And we didn't even have to go through half
Where
the
the
shit
fuck
Harold
is
and
my
Kumar
ketchup?
did.
Don't jinx us. We're not down.
Alright.
We just discovered that.
We just discovered that Nayeli is losing her White Castle virginity as we speak. Kelsey and I took her White Castle virginity, and we're very excited about it.
And I paid.
And we did it.
Oh.
Doing something.
Oh, I paid for our first meal.
Alright, these bitches crazy.
Greg complains too damn much.
One big room full of bad bitches.